Hi, I'm Jim Cameron. Join me on a journey to the depths of our oceans in the major new immersive exhibition, Challenging the Deep. The deep oceans have fascinated me throughout my entire life. They're still a mystery.
Oh man, look at this thing.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Check this out. It's like liquid fire.
We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about the ocean depths. Experience how my deep sea expeditions and love of science and technology have propelled me to explore and have also influenced my career as a film director. I welcome you to visit the North American premiere at the Durham Museum in Omaha, May 22nd through September 12th.